When we upload videos, for getting instant notifications, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon.
Hello everyone, welcome to Chef Shonag Recipes. With me, Chef Shonag.
In today's episode, I am going to prepare Rogan chicken. This is the one of the new variation in preparing chicken curries. So come on, let's get started and check out the recipe. In a bowl, add dry red chilies and add hot water and soak it for 10 minutes. Now take around 3 tomatoes and cut it into big, add it in a blender. Now add soaked dry red chilies into this. Now add 2 cardamom pieces into this and make it into a smooth paste. Once blending is done, now transfer this paste into a bowl and keep it in a side. Now take a pan, add ghee to it. Once ghee get melted, add jeera. Add sliced onions. Fry it on a low flame. Now add ginger garlic paste. Add green chili slits. Now add around half kg chicken into this. Combine well. Cover with lid and cook it for 5 minutes. Now add turmeric powder, add tomato red chili paste into this. Now add half cup of curd, a required amount of salt, garam masala. Now combine well properly. Once mixing is done, add water. Combine it properly and cover with lid and cook it for 15 minutes. After completing of 15 minutes, switch off the flame, add little bit of butter. Rogan chicken was done. Try this new variation and give your valuable feedbacks in the comment section. In next episode, I am going to prepare papad puri. It's my own recipe. You can't find this recipe in YouTube, so don't miss it. When we upload videos for instant notification, subscribe to Chef Shonag Recipes and click on the bell icon.